We've sent way too many people to a four-year college, and they are good at the books, but they don't have the hands-on, the technical experiences that industry or other places are looking for.
The pendulum has changed in education where we're now not defining success as having to have a four-year degree.
It's about developing employees for a skill set and building this all the way through their senior year in academic career planning.
Those transferable skills that a student would carry through their lifetime. Communication, teamwork, critical thinking, problem solving, all those soft skills are what is now in the industry being called essential skills.
The factory jobs today are white-collar factory jobs.
We have a huge manufacturing base, so a lot of the skill shortage in our area is in skilled trades, industrial maintenance, industrial technology, and engineering. I
would like all the students to know that they can do this. They have to develop this skill set. The skill set doesn't develop on its own.
We have a lot of opportunities in internships. A large percentage of our students are going out and working 1 day a week.
Kids go out and spend a day in industry on the floor working with people. This allows the kids to get that experience in a fast-paced environment.
We're trying to get those kids interested and to give them a career where they can make very, very good living.
We need each and every student to find something that they're good at, because that's what's good for the community, that's what's good for that child.